Are your accounting periods in Peachtree a jumbled mess, throwing off your financial reports and stressing you out? Let's fix that right now. First, make sure you're logged in as the administrator. This is crucial because only the admin has the necessary permissions to make these changes. Navigate to the Tasks menu at the top of your screen. Give it a click. From the drop-down menu, select System. This will lead you to the area where you can manage your accounting periods. Within the System options, find and click on Change Accounting Period. This is where the magic happens. A new window will pop up displaying your current accounting periods. You'll see options to open, close, or roll into a new year. To open a previous period, select the period you need to open and click the Open Period button. Keep in mind you can only have one period open at a time. To close a period, select the period you want to finalize and click Close Period. This prevents any further entries from being made in that period, ensuring accurate financial reporting. At the end of the fiscal year, use the Year-End Wizard. This guides you through backing up your data, closing out the year, and setting up the new accounting year. It's essential for a smooth transition. That's it. By correctly managing your accounting periods, you'll ensure your financial reporting is accurate, your period end procedures are seamless, and your transitions between accounting cycles are smooth. Happy accounting!